Carl Barkemeyer, local Baton Rouge DWI lawyer, presents DWI DUI questions and answers. I refuse the breathalyzer. What will happen to my driver's license? You should be issued a 30-day temporary license. Next, you should contact a DWI attorney immediately so he can request an administrative hearing in an attempt to get your license back. You only have 15 days from the date of arrest for this request. If a hearing is held and the administrative law judge determines a list of prerequisites existed, you could lose your license for 1 year. I refuse the breathalyzer. What are my chances of beating the DWI? Your chances are better than if you blew over the limit. However, you could still be convicted if the prosecutor could prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you were operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcoholic beverages or drugs. I blew over 0.08 blood alcohol content. What will happen to my driver's license? You should be issued a 30-day temporary license. Next, you should contact a DWI attorney immediately so he can request an administrative hearing in an attempt to get your license back. If the hearing is held, an administrative law judge determines a list of prerequisites existed, you could lose your license for 90 days. I blew over 0.08 blood alcohol content. What are my chances of beating the DWI charge? If you blew over 0.08, you still have a chance. DWI attorneys can look at the facts and determine the legality of the breathalyzer test. Can I get a hardship license? Acquiring a hardship license depends on your situation. The DMV may require an ignition interlock restricted license be issued to you. Will a DWI conviction affect my insurance premiums? It is possible. The Louisiana DPS requires people convicted of DWI to carry SR-22 insurance, which is extremely expensive. Furthermore, you may not be able to find an insurer to insure you. Will this conviction affect my school and/or job? Yes. A DWI is a serious charge, never to be taken lightly. A DWI conviction involves many consequences. For instance, obtaining licenses, certifications, employment, and admission to schools may be difficult. So if you or someone you know has been charged with a DWI, contact Carl Barkemeyer, DWI attorney, at 225-964-6720.